Hello! In this video, we are going to take a look at another public command of BIMLOGIQ Copilot. With this public command, we can efficiently pack and arrange multiple views on sheets in an optimized way. In the first option, we can choose how to select the views, either by selecting them directly from the project browser or by searching for them by name. If we choose the By Search option, we can enter the views' names in the second field. In the third field, we select the title block that will be used to create the sheets. In the next field, which is optional, we can define the starting sheet number. In the following optional field, we can also enter the sheet name. Finally, we can set the minimum spacing between views on the sheet. This value represents the minimum distance, and based on it, the views are arranged on the sheet. The actual spacing between views is then calculated automatically. If a view does not fit on the current sheet, additional sheets are created, the optimal layout is recalculated, and the views are placed again in the most efficient way. In this example, we want to place framing plan views on sheets by selecting them from the project browser. So we fill in the required fields and wait for the calculations to be completed. At this stage, the calculation starts, the optimal layout is found, and the views are placed inside the selected title block. As we can see, based on the selected views, 2 sheets are created and the views are arranged optimally on them. Now let's try another example. In this example, we will place several views using the Search option. Here, we find 2 elevation views of the project by searching for them and place them on a sheet. After filling in the command fields, we click Run and wait for the layout process to finish. Once the calculations and placement are complete, we can see that the views are properly and neatly arranged on the sheet. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.